Let's go through the initial setup to get your ice maker ready. First, place the ice maker upright on a level surface and unpack your product. Make sure you have received all the accessories. Please keep it upright for 2 hours before using the ice maker for the first time. After 2 hours, start to clean the machine. First, insert the drain plug. Secure the drain hose to the back of the machine. Now fill up the water reservoir with clean water. Make sure not to go past the max line. After plugging in the power, press and hold the clean button to begin the cleaning process. This indicator illuminates, indicating that the machine began the cleaning process. After the cleaning cycle is done, drain the water out. Please run at least 2 cleaning cycles. When the cleaning is finished, press the start button. This indicator illuminates, indicating that the machine began the ice making process. The ice full indicator illuminates when the ice basket is full. Discard first batch of ice to keep everything tasting great. Drain any remaining water from the machine and put the drain plug back in. Clean the ice basket and ice scoop. Then wipe down the inside and outside of the machine with a dry cloth. Now your ice maker is all set. Enjoy your fresh ice.